everyone, welcome to Let's Get Employment. Foruppo is hiring for Project Management Intern role. Job location is remote, that is work from home. Let us get to know about this job role. We are looking for passionate individuals who want to improve his or her skills and gain experience through working in one of the most innovative startups in India. Selected candidates will be getting 3 months of fellowship, skills development program and live project training, and candidates who will complete the fellowship and best performing fellows will get a part-time or full-time job. Selected candidates will get to participate in daily skill development programs SDPs for a specially designed aptitude development program where you will get to learn about the 7 major forms of verbal and non-verbal communication, the art of persuasion and negotiation, optimal internet research, team building and management, along with the fundamentals of entrepreneurship and business development. To participate in Foruppo's research-driven personality development program, where you will learn about analytical skills to solve problems, critical thinking, creative thinking, increase self-awareness, developing interpersonal skills, etc. A personalized learning roadmap will be created for every candidate doing a fellowship at Foruppo and will receive one-on-one mentorship from founders of Foruppo's startups. To have live project experience while working in one of the startups of Foruppo, after completion of your fellowship, you will get a certificate of fellowship from Foruppo and a certificate of internship from the startup where they did the project. The chance to build their own project under Foruppo's Young Changemaker initiative with their own team. This will be given only to fellows who will perform well in the fellowship. About us. Foruppo is a collaborative workspace that empowers aspiring entrepreneurs to build wonderful products, services, communities and social movement. We work with in-house entrepreneurs by helping them materialize the idea into viable solutions, help them find the core team, develop marketing strategies, get investment and so much more. Location is remote or virtual, looking for individuals with spoken and written communication skills, leadership skills, learning-oriented, decisive and result-driven mindset, ability to work effectively in a team, passion for sales, marketing and business development, and enthusiasm for entrepreneurship and startups. The work profile during the fellowship will be to have virtual meetings with potential collaborators and prospects, coordinate with the team, keep a track record of team works, recruit new team members and coach as well as support project team members with tasks you assign them. Please note, you will be required to work full-time 10 a.m. to 7 p.m. or a minimum of 6 hours daily. Selected candidates who will not perform well will be removed even before the completion of 3 months. Good performing candidates will get a letter of recommendation along with certificates, and best performing fellows will get a part-time or full-time job at one of the startups of our parent firm. At Foruppo, we are insanely passionate about doing everything in a better and more creative way. Thus, we do not use conventional interview process. Individuals applying for this position will be invited to participate in a collaborative virtual game called Potentia Play, and those who will perform well in the game will be selected for this opportunity. Let us get to know about the company. We are a uniquely designed parent organization acting like the prime root of all the innovative startups being built by passionate entrepreneurs under one roof of Foruppo. Foruppo is a collaborative workspace which empowers aspiring entrepreneurs to build wonderful products, services, communities and social movements. We work with entrepreneurs by helping them materialize their data into a viable solution, help them find the core team, develop marketing strategies, getting investment and so much more. Foruppo is a growing creative force in the Indian startup ecosystem where entrepreneurs co-create and co-own entrepreneurial initiatives. If you are eligible for this job role, you can apply by clicking on this easy apply button, fill the application form and submit it. You can find the link in the description and apply for this job role. All the best, and if video helpful लगी हो तो वीडियो को लाइक कीजिए, शेयर इट विद योर फ्रेंड्स एंड फॉर मोर लेटेस्ट जॉब अपडेट्स चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए. Thanks for watching this video.